Hey, guess what? We're gonna have a blast sculpting a plasticine Dachshund today. These little dogs are so popular among dog lovers. They may be small, but they've got a ton of courage and can totally hold their own, both for themselves and their owners. To do this, we will need a piece of plasticine, any the color will do. I have blue. To begin with, you need to stretch the plasticine so that it becomes soft. You will also need water to wet your hands and a cloth. Let's start with the outline of the dog's body. Torsos, necks and heads. After we have outlined the main parts, we begin to stretch the paws of our Dachshund. We do all this from a single plasticine, and do not forget to wet your fingers in water for ease of work. Further, since Dachshunds have a long body, we stretch our fingers, refining the contours of the body. Have you ever seen a Dachshund? They're incredible. Their appearance is so distinct with those short legs and elongated body. It's like they were made to be adorable. But don't let their cuteness fool you, they're also really intelligent and always ready for some fun. No wonder they're so popular. Hey, did you know that Dachshunds are actually hunting breeds? But here's the cool thing, they can totally adapt to city apartment living and make the most loyal friends. I mean, who wouldn't want a dog with that intelligent and attentive gaze, right? But hey, just a heads up, it's important to really understand the breed's characteristics before getting one. That is, we plan the chest, we specify her waist and stomach. The Dachshund's hind legs are quite pronounced and much larger than the front ones. After all, Dachshunds were once mink hunting dogs. And the front paws are strong, but short. The Dachshund's long thin tail is always in motion. After we have outlined the trunk of the paw, the chest, we proceed to the head. We will immediately outline the ears. The Dachshund has big white ears, also do not forget about the shape of the muzzle. She has a long and narrow one. We keep an eye on the shape of the torso, the neck of the head all the time. The neck is narrow and not long. The chest should protrude a little bit forward, and this is what gives it such a majestic look. Our dachshund is almost ready. Now we need to finally clarify its forms. The dachshund's ears are soft but large, they hang down on the sides of the head. Now the final touch, we have to smooth out the irregularities on our figurine. To clarify all the details and have a good look at the torso, our dachshund is ready.